Guten Morgen, Jahr 8. Unser Titel heute ist Wo liegt das? To start, I'd like you to copy out the vocab grid below and fill it in. I've given you the answers you're going to need in blue. I'd like you to pause the video now as I'm going to be going through the answers in a moment. Wo liegt Berlin? Where is Berlin located? Das liegt, that is located. Im Norden von, in the north of. Im Süden von, in the south of. Im Osten von, in the east of. Im Westen von, in the west of. Deutschland, Germany. Österreich, Austria. Der Schweiz, Switzerland. Das ist die Hauptstadt von. That is the capital of. Today, we're starting a new module, and we're going to be learning about some towns and cities in Germany, Austria and Switzerland, and we're going to be talking about the weather. We're going to begin by having a look at these 8 cities. In Germany, Deutschland, we have Kiel, Berlin, Leipzig and München. In Österreich, Austria, we have Wien and Salzburg. In die Schweiz, in Switzerland, we have Bern and Klosters. We're going to begin by finding out some interesting facts about these cities. Kiel. Kiel is a port city. It's an important base for the German Navy, and it's famous for its international sailing event, the Kieler Woche. Berlin is the capital of Germany, and it's the largest city in Germany. It was divided during the Cold War, and this picture shows the Brandenburg Gate, which has become a symbol of reunification. Leipzig. Leipzig is located about 100 miles southwest of Berlin, and it's an art lover's paradise thanks to its extensive range of galleries, museums and concert halls. München. München, known in English as Munich, is the 3rd largest city in Germany after Berlin and Hamburg, and it's well known for hosting Oktoberfest. Over to Austria, and here we have Wien, known in English as Vienna, and this is the capital of Austria. Many famous people have lived in Vienna, for example Mozart, Beethoven and Sigmund Freud, and the city is also well known for its palaces. Salzburg. Salzburg is an Austrian city on the border of Germany. It's a very popular tourist destination, and the Old Town is a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site. It's also where The Sound of Music was filmed. Over to Switzerland. Here we have Bern. Bern is the capital city of Switzerland. Albert Einstein lived in Bern for a period of time, and he developed his theory of relativity here. Klosters. Klosters is an alpine ski resort in Switzerland which has been popular with celebrities since the 1950s. We're now going to go through the key vocabulary for this lesson. We're going to begin by looking at how you say where something is located. Please repeat after me. Das liegt im Norden von. That means that is located in the north of, or that is in the north of. Das liegt im Osten von. That is in the east of. Das liegt im Süden von. That is in the south of. Das liegt im Westen von. That is in the west of. You may also hear the expression, Das ist die Hauptstadt von. What would this expression mean? Correct. That is the capital city of. So for instance, you could say Berlin. Ja, das ist die Hauptstadt von Deutschland. That is the capital city of Germany. We're now going to do a listening. I'd like you to write down 1 to 8, and I'm going to be reading out descriptions of where cities are. What you need to do is write down what city is being described. 1. Das liegt im Osten von der Schweiz. 2. Das liegt im Norden von Deutschland. 3. Das liegt im Süden von Deutschland. 4. Das liegt im Osten von Deutschland. 5. Das liegt im Westen von Österreich. 6. Das ist die Hauptstadt von der Schweiz. 7. Das ist die Hauptstadt von Deutschland. 8. Das liegt im Osten von Österreich und ist die Hauptstadt von Österreich. If you missed any of those, I'd like you to pause the video and rewind, as I'm going to be going through the answers in a moment. 1. Klosters. 2. Kiel. 3. München. 4. Leipzig. 5. Salzburg. 6. Bern. 7. Berlin. 8. Wien. We've now learnt about some towns and cities in Germany, Austria and Switzerland, and we're going to move on to talk about the weather. Somebody might ask you the question, wie ist das Wetter? What would this question mean? Richtig, what is the weather like? Please repeat after me. Es ist schön. Es ist sonnig. Es ist windig. Es ist wolkig. Es ist nebelig. Es ist frostig. Es ist heiß. Es ist warm. Es ist kalt. Es regnet. Es schneit. Es donnert und blitzt. I'd like you to pause the video now and make a note of that weather vocabulary. Es ist schön. It is fine. Es ist sonnig. It is sunny. Es ist windig. It is windy. Es ist wolkig. It is cloudy. Es ist nebelig. It is foggy. Es ist frostig. It is frosty. Es ist heiß. It is hot. Es ist warm. It is warm. Es ist kalt. It is cold. Es regnet. It is raining. Es schneit. It is snowing. Es donnert and blitzt. There is thunder and lightning. We're now going to do a listening. I'd like you to write down 1 to 10, and I'm going to be describing what the weather is like in various places. You need to write down the correct letter to describe the weather. 1. Zuerst Norddeutschland. Es ist kalt in Hamburg. 2. Es ist windig in Kiel. 3. In der Hauptstadt Berlin ist es neblig. 4. In Leipzig ist es sonnig, aber frostig. 5. Jetzt Süddeutschland und es regnet in München. Temperaturen 12 Grad. 6. In Stuttgart ist es heiß. Das Wetter ist schön. 7. Und jetzt die Schweiz. In Bern ist es stürmisch. Es donnert und blitzt. 8. Es schneit in Klosters. Die Temperatur liegt bei -2 Grad. 9. Und in Österreich, wie ist das Wetter? Es ist warm in Wien. 10. In Salzburg ist es kalt und wolkig. If you need to hear any of those again, I'd like you to pause the video and rewind, as I'm going to be going through the answers in a moment. 1. Es ist kalt. 2. Es ist windig. 3. Es ist nebelig. 4. Es ist sonnig und es ist frostig. 5. Es regnet. 6. Es ist heiß und es ist schön. 7. Es donnert und blitzt. 8. Es schneit. 9. Es ist warm. Und 10. Es ist kalt und es ist wolkig. Your homework for today is to choose to translate one of these texts. You can translate either number 1 or number 2, and I've given you vocab to help you. When you finish translating that, I wonder if you can work out which place they are describing from the 8 cities that were described at the beginning of the video. If you get stuck on any vocab, you can go onto the useful website liegt.cc to check. I hope you're all well. Auf Wiedersehen!